If you're a marble contractor and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business to advertise it, you're certainly in the right space. So keep watching this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to build a website on the Mighty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with the platform just yet, we built Mighty Sites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, an easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, Marble Contractor. Let's go ahead and select that option. Awesome. Let's tell Marty starts a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state region as well. And it doesn't matter where in the world you're a contractor or what city, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, absolutely stunning designs. They're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the work you've completed. You want to showcase it on your website so your clients can see. You can do that. You can make amendments to those images and the content and various other things like the colors. Now I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that today. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web professional of any sort or have any of those skills. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. Let's click on the first section and go ahead and put in our email address. We want to make sure that email address is visible on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on show email on sites. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here, which is click to call, by the way. Let's go ahead and pop in our physical location, our street address if we have one. Great thing about that address, when your website is live, your customers can click on it. It will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. If you have a logo for your business, go ahead and head over to update logo so you can upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil over it to make amendments like cropping, rotate, zooming in, adding filters. On the right here, you can make it bigger and smaller under customize logo. If these colors don't quite go with your business and your branding, you want to change it, no color coding needed. Click on that little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image, browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Play around with those keywords and see what images pop up. Under update content, you can change that content to suit your business needs, make it more personalized. For the button text can be amended as well, and you can link to various places. Maybe you could link to a calendar booking websites if you take those. Link to an action, otherwise upload a PDF file with your different rates and prices in PDF formats. Look at that. Looks absolutely fantastic. Very happy with my Marble Contractor websites. In the last section, your customers can reach out to you in the lead form. They'll put their details and click on send. You will get notified via email you have a new lead from this form, your registered Mighty Sites email. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Click on that button over there. I already have a domain, set it up. And if you want to purchase your domain to make your website look even more trustworthy, professional, go ahead and click on I want a new domain and purchase it via the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know.